Yo, what is up, guys? So, today I'm here, and today, guys, we'll be doing something pretty cool today. Today, we will be unboxing this guy. So, yes, guys, this is an original Game Boy, like the original model of Game Boy. So, yeah, so today we'll be unboxing this guy. It's pretty cool, not gonna lie. And yeah, we're gonna look at it and the box and everything that it includes. Alright guys, and let's get into it. Alright guys, so let's look at the box first. So basic set includes, because this is the basic set one, the Game Boy and 4 AA batteries. You can see the game pack's not included. I luckily have one on hand, so we'll be able to try that out. And so the seal was already broken when I got it yesterday for Christmas. And I did open it yesterday, so that's alright. So here we got Tetris. This is an ad from the side for Tetris because it does not include that. I know one of the original ones when they released it included Tetris, but yeah, the Soviet game sensation. My GoPro focus in on that, but so you guys can read it. But yeah, there's Tetris, and then Super Mario Land. I actually did go ahead online and purchased Pokemon, one of the Pokemon games for the Game Boy, so that'll work out really well. Be able to play some Pokemon on this thing. Let's look at the back here now. So there's the thingies. The original proof of purchase with it telling me to call that number actually still works. I had a friend mess around and call it and it works. Powerful CPU. 4 AA batteries, best selection of games. Self-contained. And I can't read that stuff up there because that's covering it. But yeah, as you can see on the back here, we got some Yoshi and Metroid and all that other stuff. Okay, and here's the date. So this one's, man, this thing sucks. This thing won't focus in. But it says 1992. So this box is from 1992. I believe that that's correct. Up there. So we're just gonna assume this box is from 92. If somebody can fact check that for me, that'd be great. So just tell me in the comments. But yeah, now it's time to open this guy up. Guys, time to open this guy up. GoPro stand broke, so it's kind of, I'm trying to hold the GoPro and unbox with one hand. Here we are, guys. Game Boy. I'm gonna be honest, when I got this thing, it was so much bulkier than I expected. I don't know why I thought it was small. Like, I don't know why I did, but really nice, guys. Like, look at this thing. And, of course, I already had batteries in it from yesterday. Let's see. Oh, you can see a bit in there. It says 1989 in there. I can't read anything else. This is 1989 Nintendo. So I don't know if this Game Boy originally came with this box. Like, this is the one Nintendo put in the box. All I know is that could be. I don't know. If that says 1989 in there, I don't know if this one might be like the first year one made. Because that says 92. Because they made these for a good bit of years. I think until 2003 is what I read. But anyways, if somebody could tell me in the comments, that'd be great as well. If 2003 is when they stopped making these. Or when they stopped making them, if I'm wrong about that. So anyways, let's look at this thing. So, got the select and start button. We got the speaker, so we can hear our games. You know, I don't even know what you'd call this. The movement buttons most of the time, and A and B. So that's pretty good. So now we got the screen. So this is an LCD screen, I think. I don't really know, because I know all like most of the old screens were like CRT screens, like that. If you don't know, but so that's LCD, I think, because I know that's definitely not CRT, so it has to be LCD. And the battery, so that'll light up red once we turn it on in here in a minute. Volume, external connector, so I think that's the game. You can put the game link thing in there, and I think they made a printer for the Game Boy as well, so it might go in that connectors. Also, that might be the charging port, because okay, yeah, that's the charging port. That's probably the headphone jack. Yeah, it says phones right there. So earphones, it shows a little symbol there too. So yeah, this thing's got plenty of connectors on it, and of course the game slot, cartridge slot, game pack slot, whatever you want to call it, and the on and off slide or button. So now guys, let's try and boot this thing up. Well, actually first we'll take a look at the manuals. Alright guys, we're going to take a quick look at the booklets real quick. So this is the instruction booklet. You know, it looks pretty cool. You see like the outside, it looks just like the box. Not gonna lie, the box is looking pretty cool too, compared to like all the boxes now that are like white or black. Nintendo's box looks pretty cool. Of course, that is an old box. Let's look at the precautions booklet. I don't know if I want to unfold that, because I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it folded back, but let's see if I can. Do not hit, drop, or otherwise abuse the game pack. That's some good advice, right? Oh, this is the game pack advice. Avoid touching the connectors. People use paint thinner to clean game packs? Why is that even on there? Always store in protective case. Well, I guess I ought to get one of those. Check for foreign material. Oh wait, yeah, I forgot they actually make cleaning kits, so that's interesting. So yeah, those are the manuals. Because I'm not gonna look at all of them right now. But there's the owner's manual. Let's take a quick little flip through that. So that's like pretty much the same thing as the instruction booklet. Here's the 4-player adapter booklet, but we don't got one of those. Interesting. Imagine having to play like that now. I ought to get one of those guys. That's the next thing we're getting. Oh, actually, that's not. But anyways, yeah, so now let's go on to powering this guy up and taking a look at games on the Game Boy. We already got the batteries in this thing, so now let's boot her up. Make sure it works okay. That's where the Nintendo symbol should be once we have a game in. Now let's power her off. Now it's time to put a game in. So we got Donkey Kong here, original Donkey Kong. Now, I will go ahead and say, I was playing this last night some, and I got to like the first world, and once I saved and exited, I tried to go back in to see if it actually did save, and it didn't, so I think the battery in this cartridge is dead. That's what I'm going to assume, because I can actually still play games. Okay, let's put the cartridge in, nice and snug. Alright, let's boot her up. That is not right. Hold up. That look funny. Alright, some technical difficulties, guys. We'll be back in a sec. Alright, let's try again. There we go. And I forgot there's the contrast button on the side, so I'm missing it. So you guys can see it better there. And now we just click start. And yeah, I had one on file 1, but it did not work. So I have to replace the battery in that. Hopefully I know how to do that. So I accidentally messed up an iPod Nano recently doing that. But it was 2nd gen, so I mean that is kind of hard to fix. Because it had the black spot too, but anyway. Okay, trying to play with one hand and hold this GoPro is kind of hard. Let's see if I can do it. Okay, I'm not going to be able to do that. But anyways, yeah, there we go. And that's the Game Boy on, guys. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Hope you guys had a Merry Christmas recently. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments about the Game Boy, any of them in general, and any recommended games you have for the original Game Boy. Because I forgot which Pokemon I bought. It's like red or blue, one of those. So anything other than Pokemon, because those are like 60 bucks, 70 bucks on a good deal. So anything other than something crazy expensive like that. Thank you guys, and hope you guys have a nice day.